Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Guys, on to our next ingredient. Let us now prepare the ingredients for making our weekly bread. So, do you remember our warm water? So we are adding two cups, one of warm water. Guys, remember to like this video. See, that is 2 cups. Then we add 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, but you can add 3. We have to add salt. This I have 7.5 ml salt. Like that. Then we also okay, the process inakaa tu kama hii ya chicken blonde. Then we also add three quarter nini yeast. 1 na kadogo kidogo. That's our dry yeast. Then we mix. After mixing, put it aside to relax for how many hours? 1 hour. Guys, when making bread, you have to be patient with your ingredients. So, mix it very well. Me, I don't want to be stressed about thinking on what to eat for a breakfast. Mix. You see how it looks? After that, remember our water was warm, guys. So for our yeast to be ready, we will cross it like that. No air is getting inside. We will put it aside like that. Guys, let us now measure 2 cups. 2 cups of all-purpose flour for making our bread.
One hour later.
Let us now prepare our bread dough. Already 1 hour imeisha. Let us now check whether our yeast has imejiva. See, our yeast is ready. So we will add guys, our dough for bread is ready. The process tu ni kama ya chicken brown. Shida difference tu ni venye utapima stuffs zako. So our bread dough is ready. So we put it here. Guys, this is our mini oven. Let us now set it to 180 degrees. See? Then let us tuifanye ikuwe hot for 5 minutes.
One hour later.
Time to prepare our bread. So let us look whether our dough is ready after 1 hour. Wow, you see how our dough had already cooked itself. Now it's time to make our bread. Guys, remember to like this video, press the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you will be notified. Like the video. Guys, meanwhile, let us prepare our tin. Like this. Something like this, also balance. Ready? So let's set it like that. See? This is number one. Let's now prepare this one too. Guys, this is my first time to make a bread. I've tried most of the time, but I manage. So guys, I'm closing my finger. Remember to like this video. So guys, before we put it in our oven, this is how it looks like. So tumefunikia kiasi, cover it for like, let's say 20 minutes. 20 minutes. So guys, this is how it looks like after those 20 minutes. Now it's our time to put it in our oven. So remember to set our oven. Let's first of all put it inside the oven. See guys, you don't have to ati lazima ukuwe na kitu ya mkate ndio utengeneze. You can also use your sufuria like that. Then our heat is at 180 degrees. We are cooking it for, let's cook it for that 30 minutes. You see? Guys, for the remaining dough, let us now make another shape of our bread. So guys, stay tuned till the end. Remember to like my video. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. Guys, comment down below. Have you ever tried to make your own bread at your homestead? Comment down below. Let us interact in the comment section. So guys, it's time to see our bread. Ooh, see how guys my bread looks like. See? So let us put this one inside. Guys, it's time to remove our bread. You see, guys, and that is our final bread. Yes, for a whole week. See how it looks like inside. Guys, while making your soft layered chapatis, ensures that your dough it is not that hard and it is not that soft. So guys, watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a like, share with your friends, share with your family, and let us grow. Road to 1K subscribers. Guys, I have forgotten to tell you that when making soft layered chapatis, ensures that what you should note is that you will use a lot of cooking oil. So guys, note that. Guys, so pia hii lazima tufuatilie imoe wakati kuna mafuta hivyo. Hii tutafunikia na sufuria kwa sababu hatutaki hewa. Kwa hivyo, tuweka
30 minutes later.
So our dough for our layered chapatis is halfway done. So we will lap it with the kitchen towel. We wait for, let's say, 30 minutes. Then our dough will be good to go. I normally wrap them like that. So that zisikuwe ngumu. Now it's time to fry our chapati. So guys, stay tuned. Guys, give this video a like, give this video a thumbs up, and I highly appreciate. Share with friends, subscribe if not yet subscribed. Let us get to 1,000K subscribers. Now our chapatis are ready for frying. Guys, how do you cook your chapatis? Comment down below if you normally cook like me. Remember, they are soft, layered chapatis. Guys, when cooking your chapatis, do you cook one or do you cook more like me? You put more chapatis like what I am doing. That. See how yummy they look. Ooh, can't wait to taste. Guys, our chapatis are ready. Guys, and this is what I normally take in a week, but not all time. So I have the pork chipolatas, chicken brown bread. I have the bread. This is both breads, this one and this, and I have chapatis, and that is the end of our today's video. Guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, press the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you will be notified. Bye guys, have a lovely week.